Hi, welcome to our open house. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for swinging by.
Can I give you one of our brochures?
Yes.
And here's one of our vacant keys as well, just so you have that for
Thank you.
convenience. Thank you.
Thanks for coming. I'll go over some highlights of the property here, and then you're going to hit a couple more stations throughout the warehouse that'll go over some of the attributes of the building. We have about 280,000 square feet here available for lease. 15 dock doors here on the west side, 40 dock doors on the east side, fenced and secured. We're at 85 cents triple net plus 19 cents OPEX as our asking rate. That said, we'll look at any and all deals, so if you have a tour, by all means set it up. You make your way through here about 50 yards ahead. Kevin and Claudia from PSB will have a box lunch for you, and we'll also go over some of the demising options that we can consider doing in the space.
What will it take to do a deal? We want to do a deal with you this week, and we've got money.
Hi there, I hope you had a great time at our drive-through open house. If you'd like to take a tour of the office, you follow the building around to your left, you look for Abigail out in front of the lobby. Thank you so much and have a great day.